Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update and I wanted to show you something. When I first got the car, I could barely get the thickness of this belt through the bottom here. Check this out. I can get my whole hand under there now. You see how much space is up there now? Look at that space in there. And that's just the engine mounts and those 4 rubber pieces that I put in there. So look how far it went down. I could barely get it on. I think I even had to bend it. So we're looking... What are we looking at? Maybe all the way to the bottom of my fingertip, maybe? My nail? That's how much room I had before. Look how much room I have now. That is freaking cool. Whoever gets this car, they're going to be happy. They're going to be really, really happy. They're not going to have to do much. Should ride almost like a brand new damn car. All the rubber's new, the mount in the back is new. This thing should, all these, the bushings are all going to be new. It's going to ride real nice. No talking me down on this one. But still got to install the bar. Still got to do that. But we are all set and we're ready to go. Everything's in there. Get the kingpins in. Let the corgi dogs out. Alright guys, take it easy. I wanted to show you. Peace.